Hey guys, this is a quick video of a nice little feature, nice little gift surprise that I realized that Google Photos has, which is Remix. So if you go to Google Photos, right, I was like, ooh, software, more stuff to make stuff. So if you go to Google Photos, and a little plus at the top, and just click that, and you choose so many options. But check this video out. This video is going to be a lot more clearer, and let me know at the end if you used it, what you created. If you want to post that this assisted, let me know. Like and subscribe. Out of This Real Marketing is here to assist with all the cool tips. Later, y'all.